Hi everyone! We haven't done a reaction video in a while, so we're gonna do another one. We're gonna do another one now. Rain doesn't know what we're gonna watch. It is very late already. She's kind of sleepy, but this was just released, so I was really excited for her to see it. Okay, so without further ado, we are going to watch it now. Close your eyes. I'll tell you when to open, okay?
Yeah. Guys, I'm really sleepy.
Okay, I'm sorry, sweetheart. No.
Wait, is this Mulan? I think this is I believe this is
We have
Mulan.
excellent news. The matchmaker has found you an auspicious match.
It is decided. Come and sit down.
I think this is Mulan.
It is what is best for our family.
Yeah.
She's pretty though.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's her face.
I will bring honor to us all.
This.
Is that Mulan?
Quiet.
What's her name?
Composed.
Hello. What's I have to say?
Graceful. Disciplined.
She's really good with a sword. Oh, she's a boy now.
These are the qualities we see in a good wife.
It's pink.
What's that? Pink?
Pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
Are the qualities
Mr.
we see.
I want what's the name of it? What's the name of Eddie Murphy's character? Dragon?
Mushu.
Mushu. There's no
It's
Mushu.
my duty.
Oh, she's really good with that sword, huh?
Mulan.
Oh.
I was right, baby. I'm right, baby. You better believe me. Right,
Uh-huh. Okay, you were right. You were right.
Wait, I thought about Mulan like savage.
You thought Mulan was savage?
Yeah, he savage with the sword.
She was awesome, huh?
Yes, he was savage.
Yeah?
And I like pink. And I like the pink part when she turned into a boy.
Boy, yeah. I didn't see Mushu though. I was hoping that there'd be Mushu. There should be a Mushu, right?
Yeah, but I wish Mushu, the rice and sign food, that was delicious and I wanted to eat it.
Okay. Anyway, I hope you liked our reaction video. It's simple. This girl's really sleepy already. So, good night everyone.
Good night.
If you enjoyed this video, please.
Subscribe.
Yep. And,
Like it.
yeah, and share.
Share.
Okay. Alright. Thanks, guys.